How an ex-smoker and chronic bronchitis sufferer completely eliminated his hacking coughs, phlegm, wheezing and suffering the moment he unlocked the ultimate secret formula to completely eliminate his dependency on prescription antibiotics, costly doctor bills and completely cure his bronchitis. Most doctors won't think twice about treating your bronchitis with antibiotics. The problem with antibiotics is that they kill all the beneficial bacteria in your body, along with the bad. After extensive testing and trying different remedies, I found that by mixing certain easy-to-find natural ingredients and kitchen items, I could give myself almost instant relief and destroy the germs that were causing my bronchitis fast. For more information, click the link in the description of the